So here it is the box. Wow, it is very big, looks like a. We are going to open what is the inside suspense. It is quite big, looks like. So here it is the serial number and code. I am extremely curious, very curious. Oh, it is very quite heavy. Yes, so I'm going to cut all the process. I think it is manual. What is inside? Oh, there is no inside anything. It is only an empty sheet. Oh. I have given links in description box where it is available through online. Please watch. So here I open what is inside. It is a manual and some. I'm extremely curious, very curious. This is only polythene kept outside. Open for this manuals. What it is inside. Oh, it is very difficult by using only one hand. Why? Because I am using another hand for shooting purpose. So finally we opened. What is this? This is warranty card, maybe. So here it is, 3 years extension warranty they have offered. Oh, this is same card. Why they are giving two cards? This is a manual VELP. I think this is VELP catalog. Will let us see inside what is it is. So it have some instruments inside the catalog. What are the instruments? Oh, this is nitrogen analyzer, carbon analyzer. So here I am going to grab the deal, what it is inside. Wow, it is pretty good, quite cute, very cute, very cute. Oh, I am using single hand, it is quite heavy. What is inside? There is no inside anything no more, empty box. Wow, this is damn good. Looks like a very beautiful here. We'll remove the cover. Let us see. Wow, looks a queen, like a queen. I will say what is the price and where it is available in online market. Please watch till the ending of the video. It is switch. They given for socket only 2 pins. Why? Because if 3 pins it is useful, because of 3 pins it will hold supporting, but 2 pins maybe some drawbacks, or some cases it is plus points also. Quite heavy this is like a tabla. We'll see what it is in backside. It have some serial numbers. It is only serial number they are given, and unique code they have mentioned. We will see for backside. It is backside, there is no anything, no more. I have placed it for the connection. It is working. See, this look pretty good. This is very useful. Why? Because if we keep different solutions in the different temperatures, this is available in Amazon market also. Even you can purchase by Amazon also. Yes, here it is. I have placed some solutions. We'll check in different temperatures how it will be working. It is working good, huh? I have given links in a description box where it is available by online.